With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag.
Had to triple my bag.
Wow.
Had to triple my bag.
Wow.
Had to triple my bag.
Yeah.
Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. What's up, Mas Cabral, Mr. Rooney, Lori, Colacao, TY must be new, Colin, Austin's $5, as usual. So it says I don't have a smooth stream, so I'm not sure why that is. Let me know if it gets too bad. What's up, Sauser, Manav, D. Harris? Stock market put in a low yesterday as we had called for. Crypto raid. Crypto not rallying because I guess of Elon Musk's tweet last night, keeping the pressure on. Appreciate it, Alex. I shut a few things down, so hopefully I'm okay. So we're going to go over some stocks again. We're going to look at the crypto. I still think we resolved the upside here on the crypto, so I'm going to show that, how I think that happens. What's up, Nate? Do your own research. These markets are wild and crazy. Be careful with the risk you take. Let's go to the bigger screen here. In front of us, the Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. One thing to notice here is a third up from the bottom. You can see that we're hitting new lows even today on this chart while price is hitting higher highs. Now the technometer is not oversold, so I don't have a really strong buy here, but it seems like we're doing a triangle here. But I'm going to talk about that because it's too obvious we're doing a triangle here. Ultimately, I still think it resolves to the upside, so I'm going to show that here in a minute. And then we've got Bitcoin here, technometer, same thing as last time I was live. Everything's really around 44 neutral. Again, you can see the triangle formation here on the Bitcoin. And then if you go in, zoom in on the 5-minute, you'll see the divergence that I'm talking about. Really on all these charts, you've got the OP sell volume coming in while price still makes higher highs. If we bottomed overnight this morning off of the selling from Elon Musk's tweet, hopefully maybe we put in another higher low here is what we're hoping for. And then let's look at the stocks here. I'd mentioned I was looking for a low in the stocks. I did do some buying yesterday, basically off of this Wyckoff Wave Growth Index. The QQQ SPY kind of looked the same. But you can see here between C and E, we had volume come in and make new lows while price held. And then we had the oversold technometer as shown by the green circle. Those type of trade setups you want to take because those are high probability winners. So that's what we bought yesterday. When the NASDAQ was down about 130 is when we bought a few more stocks for our pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com, $40 a month, and put that in the Discord, the stock Discord, not the crypto Discord. I did mention in the crypto Discord I thought stocks were making a low. The problem is I thought that would make Bitcoin act better. Again, that was before. We were acting really good all day yesterday until Musk did his tweet storm as usual. But I think stocks, and we have came off the oversold. We're quickly back to neutral. So we're going to have to monitor this over the next few days. Hopefully we can break out of this triangle. But on any new buys, we'll probably be raising our sell stops because I don't want really yesterday's low to be given up, because I think that'll show that my buy setups are not working. You can see the same thing, SPY, showing the buy yesterday. Same thing on the blue arrows. New lows, OPs, while price holds with an oversold technometer. And basically the same thing on QQQ, which is basically like the WWG that I just showed previous. And again, on the QQQ, we're breaking the new highs for this rally since early May. Technometer is up to 47.9, so we'd like that to cool off. But so far it looks higher on stocks. I will go over quickly here. Let's go over a few of the stock holdings we got. I'm still along the dollar UUP. It came oversold 4 days ago. Good rally yesterday, but again, weakness again today. But we'll see if the dollar can continue to work higher. We are still short metals, which had a good down day yesterday. This is dust, the reverse. Technometer is coming down to oversold. We had the big rally yesterday, trying to hold the gains today. But as long as the lows a few days ago hold, I think dust can continue higher. We're long TLT with losses. It's having a good day today, a new recovery high for the last few weeks. So we're still along there, hoping we can work up to the supply line of or the overbought line of the uptrend. And then I've told you I've been long Yeti. Still along that. It's quiet here. So again, we're raising stops on some of these. I'm long Activision. It's having a decent day today. Let's see if it can pop to new highs. Same thing, oversold technometer, buy divergence between OP and price. We're along Silvergate because we like cryptos and we like the stock market. So we're along that around 90.78, I believe. We're 112. Still think that one can try to work higher. Yesterday we bought Microsoft. It's having a good day today, as you can see. Same type of thing, oversold technometer, buy divergence. And then I bought Square yesterday, SQ. And I think it's only at a small profit today. Not as good, not the major oversold technometer, not the buy divergence, but I like that chart. Looks like we did a spring and a test. And I thought with NASDAQ firming up, maybe Square could rock and roll again. So that's kind of all I'm going to show on stocks. I'm going to make this kind of quick here. Let's go back and look at what I think maybe Bitcoin is doing right now. We got Bitcoin 37,100, Ethereum 2698 or so, Litecoin 179.50. Let's look at our roadmaps. This is kind of what I was looking at. This is after the low there, 29,000. I was looking for a 1-2-1-2. Today's weakness doesn't really change that as long as we continue sharply higher. So I still think we can dig out of here, but I'm going to show maybe what I think now is more preferred count. So if we go to the 4 hour, you can see I've been calling for this red wave 4 to be done, and we're trying to dig out of here. Again, we've got that little bit of a triangle look. So I think what's happening is maybe we're trying to do this triangle here. So we're going to move this out like this. So we're not ready to go straight to the upside. Hold on a second. Let's change that a little bit. So that's kind of my thoughts here, maybe what could be happening. So as you can see on the red ABC down for the what I thought was the end of wave 4, that could have been the A wave of the first wave down for the triangle. Now we need an ABC back up. And then it would make sense then the triangle that everybody is seeing is actually the B wave of the rally we're going to start here. So since the lows we had the A up, we're doing a triangle that could have ended on Musk, and then now we get the rally up into the, let's say, the 50,000 area. So that means this is the triangle formation that everybody's going to look for that we break down. This count would say that we're going to break up. So if you're following me there, let's go back to the 4-hour. We're showing the white triangle. And then we would have the C wave up to make this B wave of the larger red wave 4 triangle. So that's my thoughts here. Stock still higher. Bitcoin gets drug higher out of this triangle, catches the shorts, and then we run up maybe, let's say, the 50,000, and then we'll have to reevaluate. I'm sure my technometer is going to be overbought if we rally to 50,000. That would be a pretty quick big rally, or maybe 48,000, whatever. Maybe back to what was kind of the creek formation, maybe off of this. So maybe a rally up to the underside of this white trend line, and then maybe collapse again. I'm not sure, but that's not my thought. So if you follow me there, again, stock's higher. Crypto will try to dig out of here. I think we were looking okay again until Musk tweeted. Let's see if we can put ourselves back together. 37 to 150 is kind of near the highs of the afternoon. So that's my thought. Same type of thing on Ethereum. I've been showing this. So I called the wave 4 as being done. But again, we'll probably in a triangle formation. So the wave 4 ended back here. A up. Same type of thing. A up to here. B wave, and then one more rally, and then possibly a bunch of sideways still here. What's up, Chemo? Owen. So that's my thoughts. Not much else to update. I mean, we got everything down 5 to 8% today. All the usual ones. ADA, a little bit stronger than some of the other ones here. Bake down 5%. That is the 4-hour chart. Band down 7. BNB showing a little bit of outperformance to the upside. Cake. EOS, I own a little bit of that. Matic, kind of quiet here after unbelievable strength. SOL, I still own. That one looks still pretty good to me. SXP, a little weaker than what needs to be. Zen, a little bit stronger. So that's all I really got. Wanted to jump on here. I might try to head home maybe early in the week. So just wanted to update my thoughts. What's up, Craig? So again, off of this Wyckoff Wave Growth Index for the stock market, a good buy on yesterday's weakness. Let's see if we can take this thing above the BD pink downtrend line and break out to new highs for this move. See if that gets the crypto going. And then see if Bitcoin can rally out of this white triangle here. Let's make that so we can see it a little bit better. See if we can rally out of here. Get above, we need to get above that 40,700 and the 42.4, I believe it is. And get up here moving higher. I think if that does happen, then I think we could have a swift move up, catching everybody off guard. So we shall see. And all these coins look the same. TEL, I'm sure it'd be the same thing. I look for just resolutions to the upside. So that's all I got. If no one's got any stocks I want to look at, we could look at, since most people in here are probably interested in crypto, we could look at Mara. Technometer down to 43.5, which is, 41 is a little more oversold here for Mara. We did stop at the previous support, which is not good. But I think you could be long still these stocks, maybe right here, and just trail a really close stop. Riot. Because again, if stocks are headed higher and crypto's headed higher, surely these things will come alive a little bit. So buying with close stops. Silvergate, as I showed, has done well for us. I would think it could dig in again, get above that 118 level. Monster or MicroStrategy, MSTR. Technometer back to overbought today. So again, those don't look the greatest, but I still think they're cheap here. Tesla. Haven't really got much help on Tesla after me being bearish back at the highs. Technometer's 44, which is neutral, so nothing strong there. Here's TEL, TELL. Strong action there. I do not trade that one, but good volume. You can see that here was shown as a red bar, but actually that day was good green volume if you break it down internally. So that one still looks good. And MUDS is not in my software, I don't believe. No. MUD is not in my software at the moment. Can't do that, Jeremy. So that's all I really got. Facebook looks higher to me. Nvidia's been absolute hog. Up again today. I'd stated I thought that one would continue higher. So that one's definitely in the markup phase. Twitter is one, too, that I think probably can continue higher. They reversed quickly yesterday off that blue news in Canada, whatever it was. Right, Excel, I knew what you meant. Let me go to TEL here. TEL USDT. 4-hour chart. Again, I would expect breakout to the upside, get back near the highs, then maybe still in a bigger sideways pattern. So I'd be bullish on that right now, right here. Let me run a quick disclaimer. Since I am a registered investment advisor,
there is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
What's up, Anna? Getting in here late. So, again, that's all I've got. Let's hope stocks work higher, drag Bitcoin up a little bit more, get above these recent highs, and then we'll look to sell some type of rally, hopefully. Bitcoin 37,000 even. Ethereum 2688. Litecoin 178. Nick just showing up. What's up, Nick? Just to make sure everyone knows, that is Nick, who's been on the shows, everything with me, in the Discord, Patreon. Nick and I have no issues. COVID just kind of interrupted what we were doing. But we spent hours in the Discord, so. That's all I got. Patreon.com/learncrypto. It's June 4th, so $40 will get you the rest of June. I'm going to run a couple commercials as normal. Appreciate the 449 views. Give me a like or a share. I'd appreciate it. And what's up, Clifford? Tree Man. That's all I got. WyckoffSMI.com, the original institute started by Mr. Wyckoff. What up, Gary? Quite a bit of free information there. So everybody have a good weekend. Catch you early in the week.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100-plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
Good afternoon. My name is Richard D. Wyckoff. Anyone who is interested in the stock, option, or commodity markets is most likely to find my life and teachings to be of great interest and value. I was born November 2nd, 1873. At the age of 15, I had my first job as a stock runner on Wall Street, and by age 25, I had opened my first brokerage firm. I was one of the pioneers in the study of the tape and included volume studies in all my market operations. This volume and its intraday studies is what set me apart from the rest of the market gurus. There was a point that my buy and sell following was so big that it became a powerful part of the daily market. It was at this time that I became known as one of the titans of technical analysis. But all along, my lifelong endeavor was to pass on my accumulated wisdom to others. With that in mind, in 1907 I created the magazine of Wall Street. At its height, the magazine of Wall Street had over 200,000 subscribers. That's over 200,000 investors who wanted my thoughts on the current market conditions and trends. Finally, in 1931, I decided to take all my knowledge that I had learned about the stock market and create the Richard D. Wyckoff course of stock market science and technique. I was able to create something that established a new standard of practice in the public stock market operations. I did not claim any monopoly of stock market knowledge, but up to that time, no one else seemed willing to be so frank in offering to the public the most intimate knowledge of the inner workings of the stock market. The good news is that even though I created the Wyckoff stock market course back in 1931, the course has been maintained and updated throughout the years and is available to you today. Over 90 years later, my course is still available for investors and traders that want to learn the secrets to the stock market and can be found right now at wyckoffsmi.com.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.
Let's see.